Hi guys, we are back with lab number 5, and in this lab we are trying to detect what happens when we connect prototyping board with the interfacing board and then run MATLAB on our computer, and what happens when we press this button, as we have connected one part of it to the ground here, and another part to the input 1,
Input you.
and input 0, and then what happens, let's see what happens when we run it on MATLAB and press the button. So we are running it right now, and right now, as soon as I press the button on the prototyping board, here, input 0 becomes 1, and all other inputs. And as soon as I leave it, it again becomes 0. Now we have been given a condition that if digital input 0 gets 1, so the digital input 2 will also be changed to 1. So we're gonna do it right now. We're gonna press run. And then as soon as we press the button to change the digital input 0 to 1, that happens. Digital input 0 becomes 1, as well as digital input 2 becomes 1. That's what we're doing. Now we have made up a circuit using the prototyping board that would reflect what we have programmed in MATLAB. And what we have programmed in MATLAB is that when we press the button here on the prototyping board, it turns on number 2 output to on and turns off number 1 output to off, and when we and it alternates between on and off between the two outputs, number 1 and 2. When 2 goes on, 1 goes off, and then when 2 goes off, 1 goes on, and that's what are we gonna show now. Like, so when 2 goes on, 1 goes off, and when 2 goes off, 1 goes on. That's it. So now we are on part 2 of our lab number 5, and we have plotted a graph right now, and as and this is the number. This is our graph for part 2.